name is Mary Schultz, and I was a client, my husband and I were clients of Milosh & Company when we sold our home about a year ago.
My name is Shannon, and I'm a client of Milosh & Company.
It was important for us to choose Milosh & Company because our house was not selling. It had been on the market a couple of times and we had taken it off and had some difficulty with the location. It was on a very busy road and with pricing. So Tina and Dana stepped in and helped us along and made a very nerve-wracking process awesome. They were able to walk us through and guide us into the correct price and how to market our home better. And I think it was maybe on the market for a month or two, and it sold, and we were thrilled.
My husband and I were trying to sell our house after living in the same place for 15 years. We had found a home that we wanted to build in a particular lot, but we needed things to happen very quickly for it to take place. Milosh & Company helped us sell our home very quickly. We sold in under 2 weeks at a non-peak time of year, and that made a huge difference for us. In working with Milosh & Company, they helped market our home, stage our home to look its best, took great pictures. We're very active in getting word out about our home. We received an immediate offer that was exactly what we were hoping for, and that enabled us to then turn around and go and start plans to build our home and make that transaction happen as well.
If you ever want to buy or sell a home, I would highly recommend Milosh & Company.
I would like to add that Milosh & Company helped us with the buy of and building of the new home as well. They were with us through that entire transaction, and that made that process even better than we imagined, and we would highly recommend anyone working with them going forward.